Hi, Siva here, founder of Lyzr. So in this demo, I'm going to show you how I build a voice support agent for IRS using IRS FAQs in under 5 minutes. So Lyzr is the platform where you go from idea to an agent in under 5 minutes. You get the agent up and running, production grade agent using Lyzr Agent Studio. So let's get started. So step one is obviously visiting IRS website and scraping the FAQs. The number one problem that we all call IRS is for our refunds. So I was able to locate the refund FAQ page. Now at Lyzr we have a free scraper. It is scraper.lyzr.tools. I just gave the URL and it started scraping all of this data from the page, and I just have to copy it, and I'm heading to Studio now, studio.lyzr.ai. And if you go to App Store, I have published an agent earlier, which is an FAQ builder for voice support agents. Basically, you give data to the agent, it converts that into FAQs, which are better suited for voice agents to kind of use it. So it is public, you can use it. I'm just gonna copy paste the whole transcript that I downloaded, just the FAQs, right, which I pulled from the website. Now this agent is going to rewrite the all the jumbled text, etc. It's going to clean it and it's going to rewrite them in FAQs that I could use for using in the for me to use in the support agent. So you could see here the kind of FAQs that is preparing. So let's wait for it to complete. It's going. So the task for this agent is to minimize the number of words, keep it succinct so that it's apt for voice agents. Now that we have our FAQs ready for the voice agent, let's get there. I'm again in the studio now. In order to build the voice agent, you need to first build the support agent because voice is just a medium like text. So you need to start building the support agent first. So let me call it as say IRS refund support agent. You can give some description. I mean, say this, I'll give the same description as this. And I can select a provider. We have all of this, but for voice, we'll go with the golden standard OpenAI GPT-4o Mini because it's just going to answer quickly. You can enable knowledge base and provide knowledge base, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just do a brute force voice support agent here. Here I can give an agent role. Say you are an excellent customer support agent. That's it. Now I can give some instructions. By the way, I use Whisper for voice dictation. Um, your role is to understand the customer query and answer their query with short, succinct answers. Ensure that you follow up on your query, ask if the customer has any additional question, and answer them as well. Always end the call with a greeting note and try and be in a problem solving mode. Simple. Like this is how humans we tell our say support team, isn't it? So once you do that, the beauty is with Lyzr we have the improve prompt feature because we know that humans we do not write high quality prompts like researchers. So the agent takes care of it. It rewrites the prompts into high quality prompt with capitalization, etc. Once it is ready, you can add tools, etc. But I'm not going to use it. But we missed one important thing, FAQs. So I'm going to go back to the instructions and say, um, I'm going to give another instruction here, which is uh, refer to the below FAQs and answer the customer queries accordingly. So I'm giving the FAQs here that we just generated, which is here. So I'm copying, I'm sharing, the FAQs are here. Like I said earlier, you don't have to necessarily do in a brute force manner. You can obviously enable a knowledge base so that the agent can do a RAG call instantly. Now the agent is ready. I'm creating it. So the agent is up and ready now. Now we go to our voice agent where we pull in the the actual support agent that we built. Like I mentioned earlier, voice is just a medium of communication. We currently have all the OpenAI voice enabled. Now we are adding 11 Labs and DeepGram. It is in dev. It will go live shortly. Hi,
Hello, how can I assist you today?
I lost my refund check. What should I do?
I'm sorry to hear that you've lost your refund check. You can initiate a refund trace by using the Where's My Refund tool, calling 800 829 1954, or speaking with an agent at 800 829 1040. If you filed jointly, you should complete Form 3911 as well. Would you like help with anything else?
Yeah, can I change my bank account after I file my taxes?
I'm afraid that you can't change your bank account information after your tax return has been processed by the IRS. It's important to double check your account details before submission to ensure your refund is deposited correctly. Is there anything else I can help you with?
But what if I entered a wrong bank account while filing?
If you entered an incorrect account number for your refund, the IRS might stop the deposit if they catch it early. If the bank rejects the deposit, the IRS will issue a paper check. If the deposit has already been processed, you'll need to work with your bank to recover the funds. Would you like more information on what steps to take next?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions in the future or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
So you just saw it's less than 5 minutes. We scraped the website, converted that into FAQs with the voice agent could use really well, pushed, created an agent, added voice to it, and we tested it. And this is like 5 minutes. You could actually do the whole stuff in within an hour at a production grade. And once it's done, access the agent API endpoint, integrate that with Twilio, boom, you now have an answering system up and running. Or you could just integrate within the web app using WebRTC, and now you have customers speaking to your phone, I mean, I would say voice agent on your web app. And you won't believe I've waited on IRS calls for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes just to get these answers. And it is just a throwaway now with a voice agent. And this is all we trained on FAQs, but obviously, if IRS has more data, the agent could train more. Agent has I mean, it has API access, so it can access their internal systems and pull out relevant information instantly, and also share account details as well. So I think the use case is pretty wide here with voice agents and thinking task agents in the backend. Like you could use deep seek R1 model, or you could use the O1 O3 model actually, so that the agents are far more, I would say, thinking and reasoning, and add voice to it. All of that could be done in no time. So hence again, I want to share how we go to market, right? Lyzr is the platform where you go from idea to an agent in under 5 minutes. This is the fastest platform for you to go from idea to an agent. So log on to studio.lyzr.ai, try them around, try these agents, and let us know what you think.